Flourish Cash Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review. Make sure you watch before using. Flourish Cash is a cash management solution designed to help clients earn more on their cash holding. It's not a robo-advisor for investing. And here are the key features of this Flourish Cash Robo-advisor investing. So one of the key features is comes with a competitive interest rate. Flourish Cash offer rates higher than the national savings account average, and also it comes with an insurance deposit or FDIC insured up to $1.5 million through a network of program bank, and it also comes with a no minimum or fee. There are no minimum balance requirement or Flourish imposed fee. And here is the pros, which is the downside of this investment plan. It comes with a high yield savings and enhanced FDIC coverage. Provide increased insured coverage through multiple program banks. And here's the final conclusion. Flourish Cash is a suitable option for individuals seeking a high yield cash management account with enhanced FDIC insured. However, those looking for automated investment management should consider traditional robo-advisor.